Davie County, North Carolina. Access, yes, we got it. 7.78 acres. Affordable? Question mark. 52,993 is the purchase price. Comps are between 130 and 150 for 7 acres. Neighborhood may be questionable. Alive, yep. No HOA, no POA. Utilities, no flood zone. This is great.
This actually looks really good. The dirt looks great. So adjacent, whether or not the neighborhood's questionable, dirt's being used all around it.
I love that.
This is the only vacant piece of property besides this questionable usage property anyway. It comes down to the money for me. Yeah, this is
How
great.
cool is that?
It's beautiful. Wow, there's a lot of sold property. This is good. 109 sold in zip and 14 for sale. So I love this deal. And I wouldn't run out and buy it, but I would put it under contract and get 2 very, very solid real estate agents out there and drone shots and all that. What it's got going for you, and again, following the A's, is adjacent. Every single one of these properties is being used. This is a little mini subdivision. So this is buy it and put 4 or 5 houses on it kind of thing. They're farming this back here.
Your own compound.
It could be cheaper, but if you can get 2 agents to say, oh yeah, I can sell it pretty quick.
These are my favorite numbers.
Me too, man. Buy for 50, sell for 150. I'll tell you, you do 10 of these a year, you make $1 million. This is a great deal, Amy, I think.
Good job. We hope you find our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.